Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a review on the Cosmic Byte Deimos microphone. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Fantastic.
First off, let's talk about the design. The Deimos RGB microphone stands out with its sleek and stylish appearance. It features a compact and solid build quality, along with a vibrant RGB lighting that adds a touch of flair to your setup. Setting up the Deimos microphone is a breeze. It comes with a sturdy table stand that ensures a secure placement on your desk. In terms of connectivity, the Deimos microphone offers versatility. It connects easily to your computer or recording devices through USB to Type-C cable, eliminating the need of additional audio interface or complicated setups. This plug-and-play functionality allows for a seamless integration on your workflow. Now let's talk about the performance. The Deimos microphone utilizes a cardiopolar pattern, which is perfect for recording your voice directly in front of the microphone while minimizing the background noise. This ensures that your voice comes through clear and prominent, making it ideal for streaming, podcasting, voiceovers, and more. And for additional noise cancellation, we can use the mic foam provided in the box. So this is without post-processing, and this is after post-processing. The touch to mute feature works very well, and it will be very useful especially for streamers. One of the standard features of the Deimos microphone is its vibrant RGB lighting. You can change the color based on your personal preference by tapping on the button provided on the microphone. To sum it up, the Cosmic Byte Deimos RGB microphone is an excellent option for content creators and streamers. With its sleek design, excellent microphone performance, and customizable RGB lighting, provides both functionality and style to elevate your recording. Overall, for 2,500 rupees, it's a good option, and it's pretty rare to get one with a 192 kHz of sampling rate support at this price. So that wraps up our review of Cosmic Byte Deimos RGB microphone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So I'll catch up you in the next one. Bye.